Hi, my name is Travis Beck,
I'm Daniel Gornov.
and we're field techs here at the Eco Engineering Department in Verdantas, and we're really excited today to explore our new purchase of the YellowScan bathymetric LiDAR unit. It's one of the big boxes. We got a couple, so. Tip this up, we can show the inside, and you can see it's pre-cut, so it has space for all your batteries, as well as your battery charger, and some compartments up here too. Oh, nice. Got another big case. So, here's our other case. Got the big YellowScan logo up top, and then the navigator, that's the name of the LiDAR unit. So what we have in here is the YellowScan unit itself, along with a handful of other things. As you can see on top, it's this Gremsy adapter you might be familiar with, especially if you've used the DJI M350s or 300s. It's a very common connector used in the drone world. It's the main piece. So here it is. As you can see, it's kind of the size of a big football about. This will mount underneath the drone using this adapter on top, and it uses green LiDAR technology, which is able to penetrate water and capture bathymetric data points. It's really a game changer because even with our current LiDAR unit, you still have to perform either hydroacoustic surveys or a traditional survey with an RTK and rod or a total station. So this is gonna really enhance our bathymetric surveying potential. We have our camera right there, and what the camera is for is it allows you to have colorized point clouds as well as capture photos for orthometric data. And then up here is your scanner. So this is the kind of where all the magic happens right here at these two devices.